Hey guys, my hair is faded back to blonde. You know what that means. Time for some new color. Today I'm gonna be trying two new products. I bought Lunar Tides in Plum Purple. Never used this brand before, always a little nervous about that, but should be fine. It's a semi-permanent, it's vegan, cruelty-free. It should go in fine, lock onto the hair, not penetrate it because there's no like opening of the hair. It's non-damaging, and then it should wash out in, doesn't say. I'm guessing 5 to 15 washes is generally how it works. We're gonna try that first. You're gonna see how it does on my medium brown unbleached hair up here, and on my bleached and double bleached blonde hair down here. And at the end, we're gonna try this gkhair Lock Me Color Mask that I was sent to review. It's a keratin-based mask that should help lock in the color for longer. So really excited about that. Also will help with the damaged hair and smoothing away frizzies and whatnot. So let's get going. I'm gonna show you my setup as usual. I've got a garbage bag over the sink. This is where all the dyeing stuff just goes and I don't have to worry about a mess. I've got conditioner ready to put along my hairline to cover my ears and my neck and stuff. If you want, Vaseline or petroleum jelly is probably gonna do better, but I like to stick with conditioner. I've got some baby wipes and paper towels ready for emergency cleanup in case I splatter. I've got gloves because this is all you get with this one. There is nothing else that comes with it. You don't mix it, but it also doesn't give you a comb or gloves or anything, so you gotta provide your own. I've also got a cape because I'm sick of using a towel and it always falling off in the middle of doing everything. So let's get going. My bangs are always a little annoying to get out of the way for this. I'm not a professional, just an amateur who's been dyeing and cutting my own hair for a few years. I love doing it, it's super fun, it brings me joy, and I love sharing it with you guys so you can see that anyone can do it. You don't have to worry. It's really cheap when you do it yourself, it's fun, and if you mess up, you can always go to a professional to fix it. Say it with me. It's just hair. Let's have some fun. It is a dark purple. This will be interesting. See how it does on the blonde and if it even shows up on the brown. And if this will be enough for my bob. If you have longer hair, I definitely recommend buying 2 or 3 tubs. Glove time. It seems to be nice and thick. It's not gonna be runny. Ooh, yes. Woohoo. So I just glob it in there. I do the shampoo-in kind of method and I am quick and careless. It's fun. I don't section it because that is just really hard. And if you want it like guarantee perfection, you know, go to a salon and they'll do it for you and you'll pay for it and that's fine. Enjoy the experience. But if you just want good enough and have some fun, save some money, yes, do it like this. I want to get down here. I'm scared of running out. Get that bleached hair, nice and purple. This is the most important because that brown hair might not show it. Let's get that bleached hair first and make sure it's really, really in there. You don't want any splotches. I should mention I have an undercut, so the bottom half is growing out, but it's still very short. Comb. Just trying to go through the hair and make sure I don't see any non-purple bits. Make sure it's all like really saturated. Root to tip. Looking crazy. We're looking good. Ah! Now we're just gonna finish up the tub for good measure. Plaster it in here. Woo! Now we clean up. Okay. Yep. We're gonna really give this dyeing the skin a good test. So we rub off the best we can and purple neck, that's fun. Okay, not too bad, but I do have some staining a little bit. I'm gonna try some rubbing alcohol. That didn't do anything. Ah, it burns my eyes though. Oh, that doesn't really do anything. Actually, that helps a lot. Okay, rubbing alcohol really did the trick. We're pretty much good to go now. So now I'm gonna let it sit for a full hour. It says 35 minutes on the box, but I just do a full hour for all of these semi-permanent dyes just to get a apples to apples comparison of how they do. This one's really dark, so I'm expecting pretty extreme results. All right, it's been an hour. I'm very happy with how the color came off of my forehead, my ears and stuff. Yay. Don't forget your gloves. We always do the coldest water that you can tolerate to try to lock in that color a little better. Every time you wash or shampoo or even get it wet, the hotter the water, the quicker it's gonna wash out that color. We've got a mess in here to clean out. I'm gonna scrub it down, maybe use some bleach. This is after a round of scrubbing with bleach and letting it sit on there for a while. It's not perfect. There's some residual color down there, but this is kind of the benefit of having an old dingy bathroom I don't really care about. If you have a really nice bathroom, I would be a little more careful. I would definitely scrub it before dyeing. Make sure your drain is clean so that the water just goes quickly. Scrub it real quick right after and have some bleach on hand as well. And this is why you want to wear your gloves when you wash out that first wash and when you're combing it out. Keep those gloves on. Pro tip. We are rinsed out, and normally I would just let it air dry and then we would see the color, but today I'm trying out this gkhair Lock Me Color Mask, which I was sent to review. So we're gonna put this on as a conditioner treatment. This Lock Me Color Mask says it will hydrate, add shine, give UV protection and color protection for your hair. You're gonna wash with your regular shampoo or your gkhair shampoo and then add this Lock Me Color Mask. Leave it in for 5 to 20 minutes and rinse out. It's free from sulfates, parabens, phthalates, DEA, and TEA. It features juvexin, a keratin-based anti-aging protein blend that restores and protects your hair from environmental damage. Yes, oh, creamy, creamy, creamy goodness. We are masked up. Set a timer for 20 minutes. Round 2 with the washout. Again, we're doing the coldest water I can tolerate. We had some color washout, minimally this time. Didn't really dye my hands or anything. Let's see. Not super smooth, not like butter, but it's decent. We're gonna air dry and check back in later. All right, here it is, the grand reveal in a kind of natural indoor lighting. It's gorgeous. Let's take it outside. It is too bright for my eyes, but I wanted to get it in the sunlight a little bit. This came out a gorgeous color. It is not a pastel. It could be possibly if you leave it in much shorter time, but remember this was an hour. I love doing these dark colors sometimes because until the first wash or two, it really blends in my brown and my blonde hair. Like, it's really fun and it gives me like a dark kind of goth look for a little bit. And then it starts fading out and every wash, it's like a new color. And then by, you know, 5 to 10 washes in, it's really getting light and then back to its original color. So I love these semi-permanents. This is a fun one. It is a dark pigment, so be careful. You can stain your fingernails, your hands, your face, ears, neck, and stuff if you're not really careful, especially until the first wash, especially when it's wet. But that's kind of any of these deep, dark hues will do that to you. Love the color. As for the Lock Me Color Mask, I guess time will tell how it holds up, although I've never done this color or this brand before, so I don't really have an apples to apples comparison. Maybe I should have done this for half the head and see how it fades out any differently. I don't know, but the condition feels really good. Whether that's because of the color or the mask, I don't know, but this seems to be great stuff. If you're interested in trying it out or the hair color, link in video description to get you some. Those are my affiliate links, so I will earn some commission if you do buy them from my links. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe for more hair inspo, DIY, colors, cuts, shaving my head, cutting my kids' hair, you name it. I've done it all and I'm gonna keep doing it because it's fun. See you next time. Bye.